guys, welcome to my channel. Today we got free cars. Today we got this all yellow cars today, so let's just take a look. First car we got is the 1994 Bugatti Eb110 in a nice yellow from Review Rides. Pretty cool car. Let's take a look at it. Ooh, look at that. Put it on our rotator and just spin it. Alright, if we take a look at this car, it's got a very nice, pretty yellow with a nice red interior, which is the car has a nice Bugatti Tempo on the front of the car with some nice rims on the side, which are almost my favorite rims. Really do like at the back of the car. It's got a pretty cool engine, the detail. It's got some more tempos at the back with the headlight tempos, and also the driver's license tempo, and also the mufflers at the back too. Got a pretty cool kind of box design, which I really like that. It's pretty cool. Alrighty, first car. Next car we got is the 2020 Toyota GR Supra in a nice yellow. Pretty cool because we got all yellow cars today. Ooh, look at that. Put it on the rotator. Just kind of... Oh. If we take a look at this car, it's got a nice pretty yellow on the car. It's got no tempos at the back, but it does have some tempos on the side of the car, guys. It has HotWheels and it says some other stuff on it. It's also got some pretty beautiful headlight tempos, which makes this car pretty cool. And also has the Toyota logo on it with the same rims as the Bugatti we got earlier. So yeah, pretty cool. It's got some tempos on the side, also some more tempos. So yeah. Let's take a look at the next car we got is the Nissan Fairlady 2 in this yellow from the Nissan series. Pop it open. Oh, where did he go? Oh, right here. Ooh, let's take a look. Pretty cool Fairlady. Just put it on the rotator. If we take a look at this car, it's got some nice kind of black strips surrounding the hood of the car with some pretty cool lights, which I think look pretty funny. I also like the rims on it are pretty cool. Maybe if it had some chrome, that would be kind of cool if it had some chrome on it. It also has some more side kind of lines on the side, kind of details. It's also got the back of the car with 4 headlights, 1 muffler, and see those cool little black strips going down the car, and a little Hot Wheels tempo, and also it says something Nesmo on the side. Pretty cool car. Yeah, let's just do something real quick. Put them on our rotator. But yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, check out my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. And you guys, bye. Have a good day. Bye bye.